In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to Hostinger's hPanel and publish your website. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or just starting, getting your domain set up correctly is a crucial step in making your site live on the internet. This process is straightforward and in no time, you'll have your site up and running seamlessly. Let's begin by logging into Hostinger's hPanel. You'll want to start by opening your preferred browser and navigating to Hostinger's website. Once there, you'll see the login option, typically at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Securely type in your email and password, and then hit the login button. If it's your first time logging in, make sure you've created an account and verified your email to access the full dashboard. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll find a section labeled Domains. Click on this to view a list of all domains associated with your account. Find the domain you'd like to connect and select it. This is your domain's personal hub, where you can manage various settings. Next, we need to set the DNS for your domain to Hostinger's name servers. In plain terms, this step ensures that your domain directs visitors to your website hosted on Hostinger. When you select your domain, look for the DNS settings or an option for name servers. Hostinger will generally provide you with a pair of name server addresses. These are unique to Hostinger and necessary for the domain to communicate properly with their systems. Simply enter these addresses into the name server fields and save your changes. It may take some time for DNS changes to fully propagate, anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours, so be patient. While the DNS is updating, go back to Hostinger's main dashboard. Here's where you'll use the website builder to complete the setup. Click on Website Builder in the panel. In the Website Builder dashboard, head over to the settings. Here, you'll find a section labeled Domain. You're nearly there. Select the option to connect your domain. This will typically involve choosing the domain name from a drop-down list, confirming that the DNS is set correctly, and allowing Hostinger to complete the connection process. Once this is all done, you'll have the opportunity to publish your site. Simply hit Publish and your site will go live. Make sure to double-check everything to ensure it's all in order. This is your finishing touch, a crucial leap to inviting the world into your digital space. Congratulations, you've successfully connected your domain and published your site using Hostinger's hPanel. Don't hesitate to reach out to their support if you encounter any issues or need further assistance as you continue on your web hosting journey.